Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive blend of power, convenience, and design, making it a standout choice for both daily commuters and weekend adventurers. With a robust 1000W motor, this e-bike delivers exhilarating speeds of over 30 miles per hour, ensuring you can zip through urban traffic or tackle hilly terrain with ease. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, providing a thrilling ride without compromising safety. One of the notable features is the 48V 20.8AH large removable battery, which offers an excellent range. Depending on your riding style and terrain, the bike can cover distances of up to 80 miles on a single charge. This is a game changer for those looking to commute longer distances or enjoy leisurely rides without the anxiety of running low on battery. The removable battery is a thoughtful design choice, allowing for easy charging at home or in the office. The folding mechanism is a significant highlight. The bike collapses easily, making it portable and perfect for those with limited storage space. Whether you're taking it on public transport, storing it at work, or putting it in your car trunk for a weekend trip, the compact design makes it incredibly convenient. The bike's weight is manageable, and the sturdy frame ensures durability without compromising on style. The ride quality is impressive, thanks to the front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, even at high speeds. The suspension system offers a comfortable ride, absorbing shocks from uneven surfaces. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with LED lights, ensuring visibility and safety during night rides. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike offers a fantastic combination of speed, range, and portability. It's an excellent investment for anyone looking for a reliable and fun way to navigate their city or explore the great outdoors. With its thoughtful features and solid performance, it's hard to find a reason not to recommend this e-bike.